Alright, fellas. Now it's time for the great reveal from my little Walmart excursion. Yeah, I decided against the M22s because I actually don't have anywhere to put them. I don't have any. It did, they didn't have the box, and I didn't feel like looking for another ammo can for it. So I ended up getting some of the American Eagle 223M or whatever it is for the 644 box. Got three of those, and if you guys aren't familiar with that price and that number right there, I didn't leave empty-handed. So what I ended up getting was a couple of boxes of the CCI shot shell. You know, I have a couple of sleeves of that. I don't even know why. I don't even shoot it. I just figure, one day it'll be something cool. And I got three of those. But the reason I only bought two was because I needed to get the last two to fill up this. Let's see. Turn these bad boys sideways. There. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Alright, so that's full. Let's fold that over for now. This is full. Just various stuff. Some coppers. Some of the 2016 Merry Christmases. Some of the golden bullets. What the hell are these? Oh, some more stingers. Yeah, these are some stingers. I might actually have to start looking to get some more of those sleeves for that. And then I got this box, that I'm working on filling up. Got a few boxes of these American Eagles and a few boxes of Perfecta. So that's what I did. It is what it is. A little something's better than nothing. So, as always, peace out, my friends, and stay thirsty.